Hi. Here I would like to share the new feature that was introduced in the Playwright 1.59 version, and that is the page.screencast. So they introduced the Screencast API. It's a unified feature, so we can utilize that for start your video recording of your test execution, real-time frame streaming, and also we can do some annotations on the video, and we can set some overlays and also some narrations we can do during the execution. So this is very simple, and this feature will be available across all programming language of the Playwright client. Okay, if you are using Java or C Sharp or Python, JavaScript, this feature will be available. So here I tried with Playwright Java. So here you can see in the format XML file I have the Playwright 1.59 version. And earlier days in automation, I used to use a third-party library called Momondi Screen Recorder for screen recording for automation of Playwright or Selenium. Okay, so and that is a dependency, and the output like MP4 format. Okay, so that was I created with the help of Momondi screen recorder. But thing is, like, if you do a long execution, it's a lengthy execution, the size of the files are very high. Okay, so this is very simple here, and this will create a web file. So, and we can utilize this one for seeing good results, and also easy to tracking your execution flow and all. So let's see what are the features I have implemented with the help of the page screencast. And here I have a base test. So here you can see there is a package called com.microsoft Playwright Screencast. So this will giving all the features. Okay, what are the features you need for the screen recording or narration, or for the annotation. Okay, setting custom overlay, you can use that. So this is my base test, and this base test actually first up, like in the RB4 method, I am creating this session, the pages, then the create the playwright object, then create the browser, and create the context. Then we are setting the yeah, creating the pages. Okay, so and I created some private methods. You can see here start recording, and also do step narration, and annotations we can do, and we can create the custom overlay. Okay, so from my opinion, the start recording is the important function. Okay, to begin the recording of your execution flow, and do the annotation is very important. We can easily see what are the actions are performing on the UI, like click or filling the data. All things will be annotated, and we can see easily. We can set the position of the that overlay message. By default it will come in the top right. Okay, so and the step narration is kind of, it will display the sender. Okay, that we can see. Okay, so the custom overlay is kind of a any overlay message you can set as a HTML div content, we can pass it. Okay, so we'll deep dive into each method. So this is the start recording, and here what I'm thinking, what I'm using here, you can see this is the page.screencast method. I'm going to start, I'm going to set these start options. Okay, set path, then we need to set the path of the file. The output, as I said, it will create a WebM file. Okay, so that is very lightweight, lightweight files. So here what I am doing, I am getting the test method name dynamically, and I'm setting the timestamp, appending the timestamp, and I'm giving that as a file name for start recording. So once it start, we can also stop. Okay, after completing the execution, we can call the stop recording. So this is the logic for stop recording. Page.screencast.stop, it will stop the recording as well. So in the add before method, I'm invoking the start recording, and at after method, I'm calling this stop recording. So in between, once you start the recording, then we can call different other methods. As I mentioned, there is a do-step narration. Okay, this is for narrating in the some informations on the screen, like login step. Okay, some description we can provide. So this is not much important, but annotation is very important. Okay, we can see what's happening on the UI. Okay, for example, you are clicking on some button or filling some data, we can see that. Okay, live, you can see the details. So, but here I set position as null because by default it will display the top right. Okay, we can pass any positions. Okay, if you want. And this is the custom overlay. Here we can set some overlay using page.screencast show overlay method. Okay, so this show overlay, you can pass any values, any custom messages. So here I'm printing just a recording, a recording HTML tag. I'm passing this. So these are the different options. Here we can start recording, we can stop recording, we can do some narrations, or we can do the annotations, and also we can create custom overlays. Okay. So, but my personal opinion, this annotation is very important. Okay, we can see what's happening, and rest are I'm not sure whether we need or not, but it's interest of time we can learn it. Okay, so these are the different private methods I'm invoking in the add before method here, and also we have add after method. We have the stop recording. Okay. And just go to the test method. This is the test method actually extending the base test. So we are getting the page, and we are having the application URL navigation, then filling the data, clicking, and all those things. So let's execute and see how that screen recording will create. Okay, I'm just starting the execution. Yeah. So you can see this login step display, and also the recording overlay is displayed. In the top right, it will show the different annotations as well. Okay, so this is very simple test. Okay, we completed, and we'll try to see the file. So now we can see the file is created. Okay, with the test name, timestamp, and also is a WMB file. And I'm just opening the video. Okay, this is the video which is created just now. Okay, so as a step we have mentioned, okay, this is the narration. We are actually provided the login step and entering credential as a narration, and when we play this, you can see here there is a red color recording. This is the custom overlay, also displayed. Okay, and when we start the application, start filling the details, you can see top right is the different annotations. Okay, when we are doing some actions, it will automatically display that particular annotation at the top right. Okay, so we can see fill the talks with the username, and also it will fill the password, and also you can see the click. So this is the video recording created. This is very simple to integrate. So the Playwright 1.19 introduced this feature is very helpful for screencasting. Yeah. So you can also try out these features and share your feedback. You guys.